If you're struggling with installing Pocket Broker app from Google Play Store, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install Pocket Broker from Google Play Store. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, there are quite a number of reasons why you are experiencing this one. It might be because of network issues, or another problem might be because of the inbuilt your smartphone condition, as well as Google Play Store settings. So to begin this, first you want to make sure that you have your internet connected before you install. Open your app, just search for your app, and before you search for your app, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. However, if you're already logged in but unable to install the app, then just tap on your email address here on the icon and then scroll down to settings. Now under settings, go to network preferences, and if you tap on this, you can see we have quite a number of options. Look for this app download preference and change this over any network. As you can see, currently it's set to over Wi-Fi only. I'll change this to over any network. This will ensure that I'm able to download and install Pocket Broker app via the current network I'm connected to. Now tap on OK to save the changes. From here, go try installing your app and everything should be okay. However, if you are still unable to do this even after changing these settings, then the problem might be with Play Store app itself. For that, we need to access Play Store app to troubleshoot it. To do this, just long press on your app and you should see app info. Tap on it, or if you can see app info, you should see a settings gear on this pop up here, or even the name of the app. If you see any of this, just tap on it to access Google Play Store app info page. At this point, we want to clear the data for this app. So if I go to storage, here you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. So when you talk of cache data, these are just small files that Google Play Store normally collects and stores to enhance your user experience. However, when they accumulate, they might cause your app to malfunction. To fix this, tap on clear data and then clear cache and finally OK. At this point, you'll need to restart your smartphone. Once you are done, now open your Google Play Store, search for your app. So I'll search for Pocket Broker like that. And here we go. Now you can see we have our app here. Let's go and try to install it and see if it will work out. And look at that. Now I'm able to install my app. However, at this point, if you still struggle to install it, then you might want to check if you have enough space. If you don't, then free up space by deleting some of the images or videos and apps that you no longer need. You may also want to clear trash from your smartphone to make sure that you have enough space. So by following any of these steps, you should be able to fix and install Pocket Broker app from Google Play Store. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.